Hello, welcome to my man Andbenz. You can call me Andbenz. I make a video on how to get rid of Facebook content monetization policy the other time, and in case you have done that and it doesn't work for you, then this is another step on how to report that problem to Facebook to help you to rectify that issue. If you leave too early, you want to miss the juice in this video, and if you stay to the end, you will buy me a cup of tea. In case you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of my content like this again. Without wasting more of your time, let me take you to how the tutorial on how I do that step by step. Stay tuned. Okay guys, from your profile like this, look at the top, from the top right, tap your profile picture on the top right like this, and you will be able to scroll down. Just scroll down, you can tap on help and support. Tap on help and support like this, and then look for report a problem. You can see report a problem. So tap on report a problem like this, and before you do that, make sure that you screenshot where you have this policy violation on your dashboard. So as you come to this place, don't tap on OK, click on continue to report a problem. Continue to report a problem. Click on it like this, and then a dialog box will open. Now what you do here is to just click on include. Click on include. Now what we are to do here is that you scroll down to check if where you want to submit your monetization policy issue is page, then click on pages. But for this very one I'm doing right now, it's not a page, it's not page, so it's my professional profile. So I want to click on the professional one, click on profile. It's open like this. So you can see describe the issue. In this place now, you have to describe the issue, telling YouTube support team that you have deleted all your videos that violated, and still yet the issue remains the same. So you describe what you want them to do for you, and the second place here you can see where they say upload from upload. So now that place that you screenshot, that place you screenshot that stated that your content monetization policy is not evaluated, then you upload the screenshot here where it says upload from photo, then click on that place and then you upload it. Then you click on this small angle at the top right here, you click on it to submit, and after that you can wait for a while for Facebook team to respond to your request. And if you're new to this video and this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing and like and share. Thanks for your time.